Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the screen share now. Open Snapchat and sign in, then tap the chat with the person or group you'll share with. Once in chat, make sure Snapchat has camera and microphone permission so audio and video work. Tap the video call icon, and while the call rings, press the screen share button that appears. This initiates the process. You're acting immediately, not prepping later. Doing these steps now prevents permission errors and speeds up connection when the recipient answers. Once you start sharing, choose whether to broadcast your entire screen or a specific app window depending on privacy needs. Make sure to toggle microphone audio if you'll narrate. This sends your voice with the shared content. Mute it if you prefer silence. Close other apps and silence notifications to avoid interruptions and lower CPU use, which keeps the stream smooth. If you need to show media with sound, confirm in advance that system audio sharing is enabled. Otherwise, viewers won't hear clips. To finish, tap Stop Share, then end the video call. This cleanly releases screen and audio permissions. If viewers report a black screen, make sure screen capture permission is granted in your device settings, then restart Snapchat. Reboots often clear stubborn permission states. If the stream lags, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or move closer to the router and close background apps that use bandwidth. These steps wrap things up and solve the most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.